A group of laws enacted to protect consumer rights is known as what? A. Market legislation. B. Trade agreements. C. Business regulation. D. Consumer protection. The correct answer is D. Consumer protection. Which aspect of a country's financial system is identified as a cause of black money? A. Exchange rates. B. Banking regulations. C. Tax structure. D. Interest rates. The correct answer is C. Tax structure. What factor does not affect the velocity of sound in a gaseous medium when pressure is increased? A. Frequency. B. Temperature. C. Density. D. Amplitude. The correct answer is B. Temperature. Besides China, which country is a major producer of gold? A. Brazil. B. Germany. C. Canada. D. France. The correct answer is C. Canada. Which of the following describes a condition where an organism has a complete set of chromosomes? A. Polyploidy. B. Euploidy. C. Tetraploidy. D. Aneuploidy. The correct answer is B. Euploidy. What is the minimum age to be eligible for a driving license in India? A. 16. B. 21. C. 20. D. 18. The correct answer is D. 18. What day is globally observed as Human Rights Day? A. 1st January. B. 4th July. C. 24th October. D. 10th December. The correct answer is D. 10th December. What is the systematic name for the SN2+ cation? A. Tin, 2. B. Stannic. C. Tin, 4. D. Stannous. The correct answer is A. Tin, 2. What is a river loaded with when moving downstream across a broad, level plain? A. Springs. B. Rain. C. Glaciers. D. Debris. The correct answer is D. Debris. Where are the two Jain temples in Kanchipuram located? A. Tiruparuttikundram. B. Madurai. C. Mamallapuram. D. Tanjavur. The correct answer is A. Tiruparuttikundram. Which of the following is a physical quantity? A. Measurement. B. Quantity that can be measured. C. Unit. D. Motion. The correct answer is B. Quantity that can be measured. The text mentions thermal power plant in Neyveli, Tamil Nadu. What is the primary source of energy for a thermal power plant? A. Sunlight. B. Wind. C. Heat. D. Water. The correct answer is C. Heat. What Latin word means people? A. Populus. B. Gens. C. Homo. D. Civitas. The correct answer is A. Populus. When did the Malabar District Conference take place, providing momentum to the Mopla peasants? A. April 1920. B. April 1921. C. August 1920. D. August 1921. The correct answer is A. April 1920. When was the document 9_SCI_M_Unit 11_Ch.IND last modified? A. 136 on 30th November 2022. B. 19 hours 45 minutes and 32 seconds on 30th November 2022. C. 19 hours 45 minutes and 32 seconds on 24th November 2022. D. 136 on 24th November 2022. The correct answer is B. 19 hours 45 minutes and 32 seconds on 30th November 2022. What important metal is extracted from bauxite ore? A. Aluminium. B. Iron. C. Copper. D. Gold. The correct answer is A. Aluminium. What happens to water molecules when the temperature increases, leading to a higher rate of evaporation? A. They condense more readily. B. They are able to break free from the surface. C. They become less energetic. D. They form stronger bonds with each other. The correct answer is B. They are able to break free from the surface. Which part of a plant is generally considered positively phototropic? A. Leaves. B. Roots. C. Stems. D. Flowers. The correct answer is C. Stems. Where does Mie scattering primarily occur in the atmosphere? A. Upper stratosphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Lower portion of the atmosphere. D. Exosphere. The correct answer is C. Lower portion of the atmosphere. Besides the United States of America, which other countries are mentioned as holding more than 50% of global natural gas reserves? A. China, India, Japan. B. Russia, Canada, Mexico. C. Iran, Qatar, Saudi Arabia. D. Russia, Iran, Qatar. The correct answer is D. Russia, Iran, Qatar. Which structures did the sultans build in Delhi and South India? A. Forts, tombs, and mosques. B. Temples and stupas. C. Palaces and gardens. D. Churches and monasteries. The correct answer is A. Forts, tombs, and mosques. What should drivers do with seat belts while driving a car? A. Remove them for comfort. B. Fasten them for both driver and co-passenger. C. Fasten them only for the driver. D. Keep them loose for easy movement. The correct answer is B. Fasten them for both driver and co-passenger. What are exposed metal parts of an electrical circuit connected to for safety? A. A lamp. B. A switch. C. A battery. D. A the ground. The correct answer is D. The ground. Where were Tipu and his brothers imprisoned by the English? A. Madras Fort. B. Vellore Fort. C. Odanilai. D. Sankagiri. The correct answer is D. Sankagiri. Which historical empire's greatness is a learning objective? A. Mughal Empire. B. Gupta Empire. C. Mauryan Empire. D. Chola Empire. The correct answer is C. Mauryan Empire. Richard Arkwright invented which textile machinery in 1769? A. Flying shuttle. B. Power loom. C. Spinning jenny. D. Spinning frame, water frame. The correct answer is D. Spinning frame, water frame. Which factor does not influence the rate of runoff? A. Temperature of the water. B. Vegetation. C. Porosity of soil. D. Amount of rainfall. The correct answer is A. Temperature of the water. What is the world's average contribution of the agriculture sector that India exceeds? A. 6.4%. B. 63%. C. 8%. D. 30%. The correct answer is A. 6.4%. Which division of the living world includes molds? A. Plantae. B. Protista. C. Monera. D. Fungi. The correct answer is D. Fungi. Where can pollutants from detergents that do not break down end up? A. Only in the air. B. Both surface and groundwater. C. Only in the atmosphere. D. Only in the soil. The correct answer is B. Both surface and groundwater. How did you score?